Ever wonder if you could run a Windows EXE file on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to do that just in a few steps. So what you need to make it work is that you have Android phone with at least 4 GB RAM, internet access, and also app like Setup Extractor or DOSBox or WinLater. And if you are using setup extractor for installer, so if the exe file is a window installer, I know setup extractor works great for unpacking it. So you can just download the app from the Play Store or Google Play, search for setup extractor in here, this one. You can just install it on your device and wait until the installation process is finished. And then once it's finished, you can just open the app, hit on open, and then just locate the exe file from downloads. In here, find the exe file, and then after that you can just tap on extract. But it only works in based exe file, so not full apps. And if you're using DOSBox for older or games or apps, if you want to run in classic DOS based exe program, you can use DOSBox Turbo or Magic DOSBox and install it again from Play Store. And you can just create new profile, name it, and point to your exe file and tap to launch. You can also use WinLater for advanced exe apps. So for modern Windows apps, you can try WinLater, a powerful Wine plus Box 86 base emulator made for Android. You can just download the WinLater APK from GitHub, install and open the app, create a container and import your exe, and tap run and wait for boot up. So if you're having issues, there are some tips that you can do. You need to always enable the storage permissions, and some exe files need extra libraries, and you can also use ARM compatible versions if available. And don't forget to check Reddit or XDA for working setups. And there you go, that's how you can run exe files on Android. Smash that like button if this helped and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!